Once all of your fabric has been cut and put into bags, we'll go check and make sure we have everything in the proper bag. And we do that by looking at, after the charts for each size, you'll have a page that says what's in the bag. And for my double size, this is on page 10. And for the throw size, it's on page 5. So this is the double quilt bag SB1, and it's going to be for the 9 patch blocks. So let's look at SB1, and remember SB means sunblock. And we'll take everything out. And we'll just start at the top, and we have 10 2.5-inch strips of the medium fabric, and this is the medium fabric here, and there are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then we check that off. And the next one, let's put this over here. The next one is 5 at 2.5 inches of the background. Here is the background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2.5 for the background. 2 at 2.5 of dark fabric number 2. This is dark fabric number 2, and there are 2 here. Check. 4 at 2.5 for the background. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check that off. And 40 at 1.5 by 6.5 inches. And I've already counted these, and I know there are 40 there. So we check that. And then finally it's 40, 1.5 by 7.5, and there's my 40 at 1.5 by 7.5. And check. And go through the other 5 bags and do the same thing. And if there are any problems, you can fix them now before you start piecing.